In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix League of Legends disconnected from game and cannot reconnect. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is search for a command prompt. Once it appears, click on the option Run as Administrator. Now here you will need to type in a few command prompts. First, go ahead and type in ipconfig space +DNS and press enter. Then type in the next command prompt ipconfig/renew, then press enter. Now type in another command prompt netish space winsock space reset and press enter. After you complete this, close it. Now go ahead and search for view network connection. Once it appears, launch it. Now here you're going to find different network connection. Double click on the network connection that we're using right now. Now select the option properties. Now here, navigate to the option Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Now check in for the option use the following DNS server. In the preferred DNS server, type in 8.8.8.8 and for the alternate DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4. Then give a fresh restart your PC. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.